Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rebecca and I run cookery classes for children. Today I'm going to talk you through making a really simple recipe using the carrot. So the carrot is a root vegetable which grows under the ground and it is great for keeping our eyes healthy. Generally the carrot is orange, but it also comes in other colours such as purple, red, white and yellow, and its natural sweetness makes it great for using in a cake like carrot cake. When cooking with young children, I would highly recommend being as organised as you can before you start the cooking session. So I'd get all of your equipment and your ingredients out ready. So today we have got our flour, so we've got self-raising flour, that's 75 grams, 75 grams of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of spices, we've got ginger, cinnamon and nutmeg in there, we've got 1 whole grated carrot, 1 large egg and 80 ml of sunflower oil. Now, as the children get a little bit older, they can start to weigh ingredients out themselves. I would just start with just 1 ingredient for them to weigh, and then as they get more confident with that, you can get them weighing out everything. It's brilliant for those math skills. So this recipe uses very little equipment. All you need is a mixing bowl, a spoon for stirring, a cupcake tray with 6 cases, and some spoons. Okay then, so to make our carrot cakes, we take our brown sugar, and we're going to pop that in a large mixing bowl. And then we are going to take our sunflower oil and we pour that in. And take a wooden spoon and we're going to mix that all together. You see, so it becomes nice and smooth. Get rid of all those large bumps and a bit of a squish. Our next ingredient is our egg. So children always love having a go at breaking their own egg. So we recommend you use a separate dish. Don't break it directly into the bowl because if you get lots of eggshell in there, it's a lot harder to fish out. So we'll use a glass bowl and we're going to go knock, knock, knock until we get a little crack in the egg like this. Then we're using 2 thumbs. We push our thumbs inside and we pull the egg apart like that. And then that egg can go into our sugar and oil. And again, just using our spoon, we're going to mix that all together so it becomes nice and smooth. There we go, so that's nice and smooth now. So then we can add our flour. And those lovely spices. Now have a little smell of those spices before you put them in, they're gorgeous. Okay, let's pop those in. And then again, just going to mix it together. There we go, so that's nice and smooth now. So now we can add our grated carrot. That all goes in. And finally stir the carrot in. Now, while cooking with children, it's lovely to talk to them about where their ingredients actually come from. So this recipe, you can talk to them about the carrots, how the carrots grow under the ground and all the different colours you can get with carrots. You can talk to them about the egg and where our eggs come from. And once our mixture is all thoroughly mixed together and there's no more lumps of flour or sugar left, what we can do is we can take our 2 spoons and our cupcake trays. I'm going to use our big spoon to take a nice big spoonful out. We want the tray nice and close to make it easier. And we can use our little spoon and we're just going to scrape the mixture into the cupcake cases, working all the way around till we've got the same amount in each case. And there you go, you've got 6 lovely carrot cakes ready to go in the oven. They need 20 minutes at 180 degrees C, gas mark 5.